Lizzo's inspiring weight loss journey. Discover the balanced meal plan she follows to shed 16% body fat. Lizzo has opened up about her incredible journey towards better health, disclosing the disciplined dietary practices that have facilitated her significant results. On the cover of the most recent Women's Health magazine, Lizzo shared personal insights into her renewed approach to wellness, which has enabled her to reduce her body fat by 16% and lower her BMI by an impressive 10.5 points since January 2023. After committing to a year-long vegan lifestyle, Lizzo explained that her current routine is centered around achieving balance and listening to her body's needs rather than adhering to strict dietary labels. Her breakfast is typically a nourishing meal consisting of 2 scrambled eggs, chicken sausage, and a cauliflower hash brown, setting a positive tone for consuming wholesome food throughout the day. For lunch, she often enjoys a shredded Thai chicken salad, lettuce wrap filled with tuna, and sliced chicken breast. And her dinner is usually eaten before 5 p.m, featuring turkey meatloaf with cauliflower mashed potatoes and green beans. I suffer from GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, so it's important that my body has time to digest before I go to bed to avoid acid reflux, Lizzo explained, highlighting the significance of having evening meals early as part of her routine. The accomplished singer also shared that she reached her weight release goal in January 2025, achieving a milestone that she described not only in terms of weight, but also in her emotional and physical freedom. Lizzo's story underscores not only her dedication to fitness, but also a mindful connection to health, self-compassion, and empowerment. By sharing her journey, Lizzo continues to promote body positivity, showing that it's possible to love oneself while pursuing better health. What do you think? Does Lizzo's approach to balance and mindfulness resonate with you? Or do you have a different take on health and wellness? Share your thoughts in the comments below.